What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I filter my oil, and if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, I sell a hair growth oil and you can purchase that on my website www.trutexturehaircare.com. Link will be down below. So I'm starting off by applying the cheesecloth on an empty bucket, and I mix my oil in a bucket because that's what works for me. So I'm gonna apply that on top of the bucket and tape it down about 5 to 6 to 7 times because I have to make sure that the cloth is secure. If it's not secure, it's gonna fall into the oil and it's just gonna be a disaster. So that's what I'm doing, just making sure it's nice and tight and sealed before I start filtering the oil. So once the cloth is secure, I'm going to start pouring the oil into the empty bucket. So the purpose of the cheesecloth is to catch any of the hibiscus flower and the powders that I use. Like I told you guys in the previous clip, I use hibiscus flower and different type of powders in my oil. So by doing this, I'm going to have a smooth finish. The rest of the process is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm going to speed up the video and you guys can enjoy the time lapse. So this is the oil, you guys. It looks very dark on camera, but if you look closely, you can see it's like a greenish color. And on the bucket on the right is remaining powders and so forth. So yeah, you can see the difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit my website www.trutexturehaircare.com. Comment down below any questions that you may have, and I'll see you guys in the next one.